Welcome. If you want to change lock screen wallpaper in your iPad Air first generation, you have to open the settings. Next we have to find the wallpaper. And right now you have to click to choose a new wallpaper. You can pick from stills or from the dynamic. I'm going for the stills and I would like to pick, for example, this one. So click on it once and then choose to set wallpaper on the lock screen. Take a look right now. When we are going to lock our screen, you can see that our wallpaper has changed. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.